Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by opening the file and selecting the artboard or object you want to check. Once done, enable rulers with Ctrl or Command +R and choose the units you prefer in Preferences so values read correctly. Make sure Smart Guides are turned on. They help you snap to edges and see live distances without extra clicks. You're already measuring as you work. This setup guarantees accuracy and speed before you run any measurement tools or panels. Next, open the Transform panel to read exact width, height, and position values for any selected object. Those numbers are absolute, and you can type new values to resize. Then open the Info panel to watch live measurements and cursor coordinates while dragging. When you select multiple objects, the Transform panel shows the group bounds so you know overall size. If you need proportional changes, hold Shift while resizing. This keeps the aspect ratio, while you check updated values in both panels. To finish, measure custom distances with the Measure tool or draw a line segment and watch the Info panel for exact length. This verifies what Transform shows. Remember, strokes can add visual size, so toggle Outline View with Ctrl or Command +Y to see true vector paths. If sizes look wrong, make sure your document units match your expectations and inspect appearance for scaled effects or inline scaling. If needed, clear transformations or expand.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.